Hey guys, it's just McKenna today because Ava is on a trip. So, but she'll be back in a few days and we haven't posted in a long time, so I thought I just would. But yeah, so I'm gonna show you. We're going, so I'm going camping on a lake for this 4th of July, and I just wanted to show you guys what I packed because I really like watching these kind of videos. I don't know, but yeah. So let's get right on into the video. Okay, so this is what my suitcase looks like. Sorry if the camera's a little shaky, and sorry that there's cat hair all over it. But it's in my closet, and my cat likes to go in and lay on it. So yeah. So this is what it looks like when you open it up. So I'm not gonna take everything out. I'm just gonna show you guys a few things, and I don't have everything packed. I have to pack another bag for different things, so I'll just go over that. I have this book, and I'll just say at the end what I didn't have in here. I just wanted to pack. So I have 4, so from here to here, I have outfits. This is a teal, it's like an aquamarine, seafoam greenish spaghetti strap tank top, and there's some shorts underneath. All these outfits have black shorts to go with them. This is just a blue shirt and like the same thing in purple, but this one has an Eiffel Tower, and I forget what this one says, but there's like gold and stuff on it. And this one, this shirt, not attached to that, but it's like, it has mesh. It's just a t-shirt. All these are t-shirts. That's a tank top, and yeah. So these are all my pajamas. This is like shorts. All these are shorts because it's gonna be really hot. And then under there's a shirt, and it's opposite with these, but yeah. Then over here I have my sunglasses. Oh, you can see me. Hello. Then under that I just have my bathing suit because we're going swimming. We're gonna have a boat. I have a beach towel. I have just like a little bag with stuff in it. And then all my underwear, and then under that I have bras, but you probably just don't need to see that. And yeah, onto the top part of my suitcase. So this kind of is just like randomish stuff, some of it is, but like, yeah. So let me, actually no, I don't need to open it, I can just show you. So I have my EOS lotion. It's a little hard to see. I have goggles that are brand new, that I've never worn, deodorant, nail file, chapstick, just like a sleep mask, some hair ties, and my hairbrush. And so now I'm gonna show you guys what is in my like journal that I didn't pack. Okay, so for the stuff that I still need to pack, I have it. I had my list in this Imagine journal. I marked it off with a pencil where it was. And this was my list. Right here. So what I didn't pack were flip-flops, because I'm gonna wear those there, and I have a little bag for those. And you didn't see it because it was under everything, but I have this little bag to put my bathing suit in. It's nothing special, it's just like a clear bag. So, yeah. Then jellies, if you don't know what jellies are, they're like clear sandals. And yeah. And then I need to bring my phone, but we're not going today. So, so I need to bring my phone because I'm going to take videos of the fireworks because we're watching the fireworks on the lake. And bedding, I need to bring bedding. I need to bring we're staying in a tent, so I need to bring like, it's adjusting the camera, but so I need to bring like a couple pillows and a blanket. Yeah. And I also need to bring my toothbrush and toothpaste. And that's all that I still need to bring. So yeah, see you in the next video. Bye.